Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if you are using a 6-digit passcode on your iPhone to unlock your iPhone. Now if you want to change your passcode to 4-digit, or if you want to set a custom password like alphabet, something like this, so you can easily able to do this after watching this video. Many iPhone users don't know this, but you can actually change your passcode type easily on your iPhone. Let me show you how. First, this is very simple. Open your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out Face ID and Passcode. Open it and enter your passcode one time. After doing this guys, scroll down at the end. Here you can get the option change passcode. Tap on it, and once again here you need to enter your previous passcode, and then here you can get the option passcode options. Just open it, and here you can get a few alternate options, like if you want to set 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code. So I have already set it for 6-digit only. I want to change it to 4-digit, so I will select 4-digit from here. If you want to set custom password like alphabet and number, you want to use this, you can go with the last option. So I want to set it to 4-digit numeric code. I will select 4-digit and enter your 4-digit passcode and confirm it once again. Okay, like this. So it will take some time to confirm it. For the next 71 hours, your previous passcode can be used to reset your new passcode. So that's how you can change your passcode successfully on your iPhone by 4-digit or alphabet. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.